You may think this is sass. No. It is sass. Universal sass. Tipped toward balance because of your tip. Smile. We have a Hulk.
You're going to die for that. If you consider experience?
I consider experience.
All right, stop! No resurrections this time.
Surprise!
Tell me his name again.
Thanos.
Tell me his name again.
The attack on New York, that's him.
Tell me his name again. If Thanos needs L6, why don't we just stick this garbage disposal down the garbage disposal?
No can do.
We swore an oath to bang the time stone.
But then Ben and Jerry's named a garbage disposal after me, so what is your job exactly besides making garbage disposal?
Protecting your douchebag.
And we have to find him now. Now.
Tell me his name again.
What?
2 weeks ago, Vision turned off his garbage disposal.
What?
Oh, my back!
What's the matter with you kids? You never seen shit before?
Whoa! That's a made-up word.
They're with the Avengers.
The Avengers? That's a made-up word.
Quiet.
Hi, Drax.
That's a made-up word.
I know somewhere.
Billions of miles from Earth with no backup.
I'm back up.
No, you're a donut. You're in a garbage disposal.
What do you serve?
What do I serve? What am I supposed to say?
French fry. He took my girl. Wait, who are you?
Huh? Did you hear what I said?
That's a made-up word.
How many did you see?
One.
How many did we win?
One.
Evacuate the city. Engage all city.
We don't do that here. We don't do that here.
You've thrown
It's a
her
garbage disposal.
to me, and I'm gonna lose it.
I don't feel so good.
The adults are talking. I'm going to allow that.
I'm still alive,